Okay, so a very good afternoon, everyone. Any question regarding the yesterday's session? If no, then we are starting with the data joining and blending today. I have shared one file of Amazing Mart, one dataset file, data file in the chat box. And this file is available. This has been shared by Dr. Monica as well in the Google Drive. So please check there as well. Otherwise, I have shared it here in the chat box also. Please download this file and upload this file in Tableau. All right, so I'm uploading the data file. This is the Excel file. So I'll use this option, Microsoft Excel. And here is my file. Okay. So I just want to brief you, like, what do you mean by data joining and what do you mean by data blending? Data joining means you're joining the two tables. So there are 4 different types of joins. One is inner join, one is outer join, one is say left join and right join. So first I'll share a small PPT just to give you a quick review about what do you mean by join. So see, data joining, my screen is visible. So I'm explaining this PPT. What do you mean by this? So for example, if there are 2 tables, table A and table B, as it is given here. So in table A, there is a customer, gender and age. And in table B, there is employee, title and wage. So these are the 2 tables. Now, what are the common entries in this? If you see, so Susan is similar. If you see, these yellow marked are the, if you see by customer, because here it is customer written, here it is employee written. Okay, so if you see like common entry, so Jack is common and Susan is common in both the tables. If you change like customer name to employee name, okay, so 2 entries are common. So if you want to maybe join these 2 tables, so first type of join is your inner join. Inner join means in inner joins you take only the intersection part. You take only the intersection part of both the table, like whatever is common in this, like Jack and Susan, only these 2 entries are common. So we have taken here Jack and Susan. Gender, so we club both the tables with the same column name, like customer, gender, age, employee, title, wage. The 6 columns should be there. So 1, customer, gender, age, employee, title, wage. 6 columns are there, and only the common entry, Jack male 29, Jack clerk 17, Susan female 31, Susan managers 19. Okay, so this is your inner join. In inner join, there would be an intersection of both the tables, right? Then there is a left outer join. In left outer join, like you take whole of the left table while the intersection part from the table B, and then you club the table. For example, in the same table, there is a customer, gender, age, employee, title, wage. Same in the same table, only 2 entries are common, right? But we take the final outcome would be, in case of left outer join, would be this. You take whole of the left table plus the common entries from the second table. This is your left outer join. Similarly, your right outer join. In right outer join, you will take full of the right table while the common entry from the table A. Okay, right? So this is your right outer join. So this is the final outcome of right outer join. All right, you take whole of the right table and common entry of the left table. This is your right outer join. And the last one is your full outer join. In case of full outer join, what you do? You take all the tables. Okay, and see, it would be written like this. So common entry would be in front of this, otherwise this, like this. So this is your full outer join, right? So this is how you define your inner join, right join, left join, and full join. These are the 4 types of joins. Now we will do this joining in the Tableau. So all of you have access to amazing Mart sheet. Now I'm sharing my Tableau screen. This one. Okay. Yes. So all of you, please load this data file in the Tableau, and there would be 3 sheets in the left pane: list of orders, order breakdown, and sales target. These 3 sheets are there inside this Excel file named P1 Amazing Mart EU2. Everybody have access to this data set? Please tell me. Yes, no. Please tell me. I have shared this in the chat box as well. I'll re-share this. Can you explain again full join? Full join means you like club both the tables, right? So first left table entry will be there. Common entry will be in front of the left table entry, and then below this would be the right table entry. So when you work in Tableau, it would be more clear to you. What does it mean? Okay. Okay, now, okay. So now first I'm dragging this list of orders. So those who are who have installed or who has the licensed version or the earlier version of the Tableau, there is a different method for joining, and those who have installed the latest version, there is a different method for joining. Okay, so this is my first table, list of order. In this list of order, I have order date, customer name, city, country, region, segment, ship date, ship mode, and state. All right, so this is all what I have. So those who have the older version, if you directly drag this here, you will get it. You will get the join, right? But if you do this in the newer version, you will get the relationship. See, it is written here, relationship. It won't be a join. Okay, right? So what you need to do, you should not drag it like this. In the older version, you can drag it like this and you will directly get the join. But in the newer version of Tableau, now you need to double click on list of orders like this. So this layer would be open in front of you. Now you have shifted the layer from physical to logical layer. Okay. All right, so you need to double click it. So when you double click it, this dialog box will be there in front of you. Now you drag join, right? So as per your requirement, you can select the type of join. You can select the type of join. So if you want only the intersection of these two tables, you can click on this. Okay. If you want the full of table A and only the intersection part of the second table, then you can click on this. Now you can see the data is moving, right? Then if you want the right join, maybe you want the full of the second table and only the intersection part of the first table, then you can click on this. And then if you want to combine both of the tables together, okay, then this is the full outer join. So inner join is the mostly we use like rest other joins we use as per our requirement. So in most of the cases we use inner join. So now please tell me, everybody is with me on this? Please do this. You need to double click the list of orders sheet and then you drag order breakdown. Then this join symbol will be there. Any question on this? Are you working on this? Please unmute yourself. You can say yes, no, working, got it, clear, or doubt. This is very, very important, how to connect two tables. Yes, okay. Please repeat. Okay. Okay, wait, I'm repeating it. So I'll just drag it back. I'll undo whatever I have done. Okay, so this is the clear screen. Now I drag list of order here. Okay, so I have dragged list of order first sheet here. Now double click this. Okay, I have double clicked it, list of order. Now what I'll do, I'll drag order breakdown here. Now this is my inner join. This is how you do it. Now I have joined two table. There should be one common point. Okay, so here, what is the common point? See, it is written here, order ID. Order ID. So based on the order ID, see, inner join of list of order and order breakdown. Order ID equals to order ID. If there is a nothing common in between these two, then you cannot join these two tables. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. So this is how you do joining thing. Now, if you go to sheet number 1, so see, now you can see here dimension of list of order, right? Here it is written list of order. Here dimension of order breakdown. Okay, then here measures of order breakdown. Okay, then here measures of order breakdown like this. So your indicators are divided as per your sheet. Now I do not want to divide my indicator like this, so I just want to group them by folder. So what I'll do, I'll click on this drop down, and here it is written group by data source table. Now I do not want it by data source table, I want to group by folder. Now see, all the elements are here. Okay, and I want to rename the sheet, then go to data source and rename it here so that it will be clear later. So list of order plus order breakdown. I am writing it, order breakdown. Okay, so in your sheet number 1, it is written list of orders plus order breakdown, and all the variables are together here. So we have done data joining. We have done inner joining of the data. Inner joining means we have taken only the intersection. Okay, intersection of these two tables, only the intersection part. Clear? So intersection part means the order IDs which were common in both the tables, like with, as I explained in PPT, Jack and Susan. These were two common entries. So here we have data for like whatever is the common order ID. We have data now, order ID, data on customer name, product name, region, segment, ship mode, ship date, profit, sales, discount, quantity, right? So earlier in the list of order sheet, we do not have sales, discount, or unit price, right? So we had this figure in, I'll show you, in the second, for example, here, if you see this data list of order, okay, list of order. So here we do not have access to this information. See here only city, country, customer name, order date, order ID, region, segment, ship date, ship mode, and state. Only this much data was available, right? While in order breakdown, data was, see, order ID is same. Okay, so here we have category, product name, subcategory, discount, profit, quantity, sales, right? All the numeric values are here. That's why we wanted to join these two terms on one indicator, order ID, and we have taken the inner join. Is this clear? Everybody has renamed the sheet to list of order and group by folder. So all of you have access to this sheet. Please tell me. Because next I'll be moving on blending. If joining is not clear, then blending would be difficult to understand. Data joining is clear. I am not able to drag the second folder into the order. Folder? What do you mean by folder? Please share your screen. Miss Mona Chandra, please share your screen. Are you sharing it? Should I stop sharing my screen? Please tell me. Ram Mohan ji, is this clear to you? Yes. So, Mona Chandra, you want to share your screen? Are you there? Okay. So I'm unsharing my screen. Please share your screen. You have speaking rights as well. Okay, so you can speak. Your screen is not visible to me. Yeah, now it is visible. Okay, so what you have done? No. Just undo everything, please. No, go to data source. Below, yeah, data source sheet. The first one. Yeah. Office supplies, no. You go to data, above data, and connect with your Amazing Mart file. Yes, yes. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. Open. Okay. Now drag list of orders first. Hmm. Now double click on list of order. Double click. Yes. Now drag order breakdown. After this, इसके ऊपर नहीं drag करना. हाँ, leave it here. See? Now click on the join two circles, the symbol. Click on the symbols. Yes. See, 4 types of joins are here. Okay. But we are using inner join here. All right. And we are joining on order ID. See, it is written data source and order breakdown, order ID, order. Now rename this sheet list of order plus order breakdown. Upar. remove this P1 amazing mart. Above, move up, cursor up. Yes, this one. So this should be list of order plus order breakdown. हाँ, इसको remove कर दो. Yes, order breakdown. Yes, enter. Now you go to the new sheet. It's done here. Okay, so this is your list of, now click on list of order and order breakdown. Open the new fresh sheet. No, why are you doing this? The new last sheet after sheet number 10. Open the new sheet. So now here click on list of order. No, again, this is already, it is, click on this. And clear this screen, no, by using up, ऊपर वाला option. Up, थोड़ा और ऊपर. No, take it up, this cursor, no, this graph and this cross sign is there after this symbol. Where we do ascending and descending, no, next to that. Next to this. Next. No, before, sorry, before this, before. Yes, click on this. Yes, your screen is clear now. Yes, this. Now make it group by folder. Here it is given now list of order, some entity. Here it is grouping is there by so data source file. So you click on this drop down, no? यहाँ पर जहाँ पर search is written, no? Search. See, search is there, left side, left. Move your cursor to left. Down. Yes, search is written. Up, search is written. No? Next, last में देखो इसके छोटा सा drop down is given. Yes, this drop down. Now here group by folder. Done. Till now. So this is how you do data joining. Now you have all the data which is there in both the tables, in list of order plus order breakdown. Okay. All right. Now please unshare your screen. Okay, right? So this is how we do data joining. Unshared. All right. Okay. Now, how do we do blending? Now, first, I just want to know you, why do we use blending if joining is there? Now, for example, again, if you go to this data source file, now I again want to join this sales target here. Okay, so you can say that directly also we can drag and drop it here. Okay, to like make it in joining form. See, but this is not the correct way. If you want to add third sheet, okay, and third sheet of different level of granularity. Now granularity I'm saying. Okay, so if your file, what you are connecting is from different data source. For example, one file you are using from Excel, or one file you are using from like CSV format. Okay, and another file is in the PDF format or from server or any other format, and you want to join these two files, then you use blending, not joining. Okay, because your data sources are different. So first point, we use blending when your data sources are different. You do not use joining. Blending is nothing but the smart join. Okay, so it is nothing but your smart join only. Blending is your smart join, right? So first point, you use blending instead of joining when your data is from different sources. One file is from Excel, one is from CSV, one file is from PDF, one file is from server, like this, not from of the same format or same data file. Even if you are using two data Excel files also, then also you can use blending. One point. Second point, when you use blending, when your level of granularity is different. Okay, what do you mean by level of granularity here? Like in sales target, if you check this table, only these three variables are given: category, month of order date, and target, right? very less number of variables are given. And also there is a common variable is there, I guess. Order date is common here. Yes, order date is common. So but the level of granularity is different. Okay, so like number of variables are less, right? So here we use blending. So we do not use this like this. We cannot do it like this. We cannot join it. Okay, so what we do, blending. Now please see how do we do blending. Okay, so for blending we need to again load the data. Now go to new data source. Okay, because we have created one file using the joining list of order plus order breakdown. Now we want to connect our third sheet also, and we want to create visuals by using the data from all three files. All right, so because my data set is from the same file, so I'm again reloading the same data file. If your data is from different file, then you can load the different data sheet also. Now this time what I'll do, I'll drag sales targets. Okay, I'll drag sales target. So sales target sheet is there. Now if I go to my sheet 1, now I have two sheet. One is list of order plus order breakdown, which we have created using data joining. Second is our sales target. All right, so second is our sales target. So in sales targets we have category, month of order, targets. Okay, in list of order we have all other details, right? Okay, so there are two types of table. One is primary, second is secondary. Okay, so it is up to you which table you want to be, make it primary table. So the first variable you drag from like the particular table, that would be your primary table. For example, I am dragging category from here. Okay, so I have dragged category from list of order and order breakdown. Now can you see there is a blue mark in the cylinder in the left hand side? This shows that this is your primary table. This shows that this is your primary table. Now if you see, there is this link, blur link is there. Okay, so which is showing that there is a similarity in these two variables. See category, so you can join these two table on this. Now for example, I am dragging target from here. Okay, so for example, target. All right, now there is a orange tick in the sales target cylinder. Okay, this shows that now this is my secondary table. So the blue mark shows that this is your primary table. The orange mark shows that this is your secondary table. Now, for example, I am removing this. Okay, now I'm dragging category from the sales target first. So I have dragged this. Now see, blue sign is there in the sales target table. And if I'll drag from here, for example, ship mode, say, okay, now orange tick is there in this. Okay, so this is, you can identify which one is the primary table, which one is the secondary table. Okay, now you can use data. As you can see the link, see, how do you know that these two tables are connected? Because this link is there, that this variable, now Tableau is very smart. Tableau is indicating you that you can join these two tables on based on this variable category. Okay, this is the common variable in both of these table. Clear? The concept of primary and secondary table is clear? Yes? No? Any question till now, please? Everybody is with me on this? Everybody is with me? Not clear. Okay. So you want to share your screen? Then it will be more clear to you if you'll do it on your own. Share your screen.
Yes, I can do that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now go to data source. because in sheet 1 now we have data only from first 2 sheets, because we have done data joining. So we have data of list of order and order breakdown. Now we are doing data blending. Here we have done data joining. So how do we do data blending? Data blending means your data will be available in the same sheet from different source with a common variable. Like in sales target, there is a common variable named category or say order date, right? Okay, so now again reload the data. Go to data upper, yes, new data source, load your Excel file, same amazing man. Okay, now drag sales targets this time. Yes, now go to sheet 1. In sheet 1 now you have 2 data sources. One is list of order plus order breakdown, and here it is category. Now primary data is, now drag category from here in the window. Usko drag kar do. Okay, now there is a blue tick. If you see the cylinder, yes, blue tick is there. It means this is your primary table. Okay, now go to list of order sheet. Yes, now drag any variable, maybe region, product, anything, just drag it. So see now orange tick is there, right? Okay, so blue indicate your primary table, orange indicate your secondary table. And if you see in front of category, there is this chain link is there. No, not here, on the left side where folders is written, left, yes, in front of this, see this chain symbol is there, no, like this, yeah, this symbol, right? So this symbol indicates that both of your tables are connected. So now if you go to sales target, right? So this category is there. Okay, now if you want to make list of order your primary table, what you will do, पहले वो variables वापस ले लो, drag it back. Now drag variable from list of order. Now see blue tick is there, right? Now for the now link is there, category, no, right? Okay, so it is connected. Now drag target or something. Okay, so because here we have not yes,
coming.
because we have not added the relationship now, blending the relationship. Okay, just drag it back, and here it is written, it is not linked. See now this yeah, this symbol is there. So because you have not linked it, because you have not dragged the category variable to connect it. So I'll show you now how to edit the blend relationship. Okay, so for blending you need to install the data. You got it? Okay, in joining you just drag the sheet there. Okay, yes, okay,
yes,
okay. So now I'm sharing my sheet. All right, so this is how it is. So your this, now you have 2 sheets. So I want to make this sheet as my primary sheet. Okay, so I'm dragging, for example, category from here. Now it is showing this link here. Okay, right, like this it works. So you can work on both the sheets. Now I'll show you how to create dual axis chart using this data. Now this data blending and joining is clear. I'll show you how to edit the blend relationship also. So in data joining, basically we drag the sheet. In data blending, we reload the data if it is from the same table or from the different source of table. That depends on your data set, right? All right, now I want to compare the for example, what do I want? I want to compare the sales and target of say different product category over the period of time. Okay, this is my task. My client want me to show the what was my target and what is my sales, okay, in different product category over the period of time. All right, this is what I want here. So what I want over the period, so I want order date, for example. Next, what do I want? I want product category. Product category I want. So category I want. Okay. Then I want sales I want. Okay. Then what do I want? I want target. Now target is from this file. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll drag target here. Right. This is what I want here. Okay. Now my year is in a month. I want it monthly. Okay. So what I'll do, I click on this drop down. Okay. So these first year, quarter, month, these are your dimension. The next year, quarter, month is your measure. So I want to convert it into measure. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll select this second wala, month, and this. Okay. Now it is month. Okay. All right. Okay. This is my monthly data now. Okay. Now I do not want line stuff. I want bars. So these are my bars. Okay. Now it is my visuals is not that great because I'm not able to differentiate between category. So what I'll do, I'll add category into color. Okay. Now different category has different color. Okay. See, like this. Okay. All right. But now as it is visible, this data is okay, but this data is same. See, this target is same for all the months, all the years, for each category. There is a no change in this data. Why is it so? Because we have not linked this variable between the sheets. Okay. So now what we need to do, we need to blend this relationship. Okay. So if you go to data, okay, first tell me, till now have you created this visual? Sales, target, category, and have you converted into month, order date? Please tell me. No. So please do that. Please do this first. Should I repeat this? Should I repeat or okay? Okay. So what I'm doing, I am dragging. I want order date. So I'm dragging first.
I have one query.
Yes.
Do we have to join both the data sets before create the visualization, because it still shows that pop-up message?
No. What you need to do, you need to first create these two. If it is there in your sheet like this, it is there, no, in your sheet. We have just done it.
Yes, it's there, but that error, like that warning message is again popping up when I'm trying to drag.
So first, you undrag everything. First, you go to list of order. Okay. And then drag order date from there.
Yes, sir.
Still, it is popping up.
When I go to sales target.
No. You first go to list of order. Okay. Then drag order date from here to column.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Then you drag category, drag category into row.
Okay.
Okay. Then you drag sales from the same sheet after category into row.
Okay, from the same sheet I have to do.
Okay. These three variables are from the same sheet. Okay, then we need target, because I want to compare, my client want me to compare my sales and target of the different product category over the period of time. Okay, so now I will go to sales target. Now click on sales target and then drag this target, not sales target count, drag target and drop it after some sales. Okay, yes, then you will, everybody is with me on this till now? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then what you will do, you change the year to the, from dimension to this, and I want monthly data. So next month, like this, not this month, the second wala month you need to select. Okay, so your graph would be like this. Here you have sales, you target. Now what I'll do, I add category into color to differentiate the color. Yes. Yes, so if you click on here from standard to entire view, all of three categories would be visible here. Now, please tell me, everybody is with me on this. Should I go ahead? Or any question?
Actually, I am not able to get the target thing on my screen. So I have to maybe load the
You
data
need,
again.
no, you have loaded for blending, no? Have you loaded the, reload the file and then drag the sales target from there? Have you done that?
Yeah, that I've done. But when we want to add the target, when I want to add that sales target, it is
Mm-hmm.
not showing on my data. So,
Please share your screen. Share your screen, please.
okay. How do I share it?
Yes. Okay, so month is there, category is there, sales. Now you're, no, you have not tracked this. No, the sales order, no.
I don't have that here, na?
You do not have that here, because what you have done, you have again did the joining of this. So go to data, up, no, reload, this data, new data source, yes. Microsoft Excel, yes. Reload the Amazing Mart, yes. Okay. Now drag sales target this time, only sales target. Yes. Now go on that sheet. Go to that sheet.
Oh,
You were working, yes. Sheet number 11, yes. Okay. So now see, sales target is there. Now go to sales target sheet. This one. Now drag target from here. Yes, after sales. Yes. Okay. Now, now click on entire view from standard. No, do not add color into target. Add color to category. Remove it from color. Yes. Category into color. Yes. Okay, and click on the entire view. Go up where standard is written, no, where I have showed you this pin mark, where the slide showed this standard. Click on this and select entire view, last one.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Now this is okay, but you have selected it's, see, now your month is dimension, you have not converted into measure, that's why your graph is not okay. Now again click on this drop down. No, month pe hi click on this drop down. No, not here, ऊपर ही जहां पर कॉलम में आपने ड्रैग किया, हाँ, दिस ड्रॉप डाउन, क्लिक हियर. नाउ सिलेक्ट द सेकंड वाला मंथ, नो, नीचे, down, yes,
This?
down, no, down, the next one, down, yes, this one, select this one, because we want to convert it into measure. Okay, now the graph is okay. Okay, now I will tell you how to edit blend relationship, because now if you see in your target, your figure is same for all the month, all the year, in each of the category, right? There is a no change in the figure. Now what you will do, go to data, no, up after file, yes, this data, yes, click on edit blend relationships, yes. Okay, now here if you see there are so many sheets. Secondary, in secondary data source, select sales target. Here it is written, no, secondary data source, select this file, yes, this file. Now see here, now it is connected only to category and category. Okay, you need to connect it with month as well, so you need to customize it. Now click on custom, yes, add. Okay, now you need to add this. Now go to your order date. Here drop down is there, no, click on this drop down on the left hand side. No, next wala order date, below this. Like left me there is a this small drop down, no, not here, the same one. Drop down, the sign is there, no, next to it, yes, click on this, yes. Now from here select month order date. Yes, similarly from here, click on this drop down on the right hand side, month of order. Yes, select month of order from here. Yes, so everybody please do this. You need to edit the blend relationship, go to custom, add, and connect these two. Okay, and in Tableau, what you, no, do not apply okay now for the time being. You, like if you are working on say daily data, okay, when you are editing the blend relationship, you always need to connect the higher data, like higher variable also. For example, you're working on say monthly data, you need to connect year also. Okay, if you're working on say daily data, you need to connect daily, month, quarter, year as well. Okay, so again click on add. So again go to this drop down to order date. Now click on year order date, year order date. Here also drop down, year order, year month of order. Yeah, okay. Okay, now this, why there is a no change in your data? Oh, you have taken two secondary tables. So on which list of order you are working on? I don't know. Why did you select month of order from in which the second one? No, while other variables you have, so month of order, category, and sales, you need to select from the same, and target from the sales target. You are using 3 sheets. So
so I have made a mistake. I should have collected that from a month from list of orders.
Yes.
Okay, so I will.
What all variables? So please redraw it. No, like I don't know which variables you have taken from which sheet.
Okay.
Okay,
So
now you got it, like how to do this, right? Or please redo this.
I'll do this. Okay.
Please do this.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
Can we have 5 minutes to?
Yes, yes, yes. You have 5 to 8 minutes. Please work on this. So meanwhile, I'll show my screen to others. Okay. So this is how we create it. So if you are, please do not get confused. Do not keep so many data files in your this thing. If you are keeping it, please rename it properly so that you do not get confused. So for example, here I have renamed it list of order plus order breakdown and make it a group by folder. Okay, so group by folder, and this is your sales target file. Okay, so do not get confused, please. So take 5 minutes and do this, then I'll tell you how to make it a dual axis chart. Though in this also, this is a very good visual, you can directly explain. Okay, so wait, I'll just do the blend relationship. So edit blend relationship. Okay, so only category is connected here. I want to connect order date as well. So click on custom, then add, then this drop down and week order date. Here also, sorry, not week order date, month order date, here also month order date. So I have connected these two variables also. Then higher variable, higher values also we need to connect, year order date, and here also year. So do not get confused with this and this. You always need to connect it like this, otherwise it won't work. Okay, okay. Okay, now see, there is a change in this. Now all the data set is changed and it is a very accurate graph now. So once you complete the chart, please tell me, then I'll tell you how to do it. Make it dual axis chart.
So I'm just wanting to repeat that you want the month of order
Oh, yes.
from the list of order
Yes.
breakdown
Yes.
sheet. Okay.
Category, month, and sales from list of order plus order breakdown sheet, and only target from sales target. Okay.
Okay.
Please take 2 to 3 minutes and complete this fast because we have so many things to do. Complete it today. I'll tell you next waterfall chart, bump chart, and one more chart, funnel chart.
I'm still here because see now this is from month of order. Month of order is from list of orders plus order breakdown. Category is also from list of order plus order breakdown. Sales is also from list of orders plus order breakdown. And some target is from sales target. This is right.
No, see, both of your tables are secondary. It is not possible. No, see, you should have dragged these variables from this, the blue cylinder one. One table should be primary, one should be secondary. Otherwise, data blending is not possible. So you drag all the variables from, yes, this sheet. Click on this.
But this is only list of orders. This is not the blended sheet. Doesn't matter.
No, this is the joining sheet. No, it is of both list of order plus order breakdown. See, either you remove this or like drag variable from here, because this is your primary sheet. So
Because
one
it
sheet
is a
should
blue
be primary, one should be secondary.
Okay, but then can I change the primary, secondary? You said I could change them also.
Yes, but you cannot keep both, like your list of order plus order breakdown. Both these sheet only you have make primary and secondary. See, blue and orange sign is there in both the sheet of this list of order plus order breakdown. This, see.
But
now it is okay. Now one is primary, one is secondary. Okay. Now drag month of order date from here. Now drag order date from here. Yes. Drag category from here. Sales, drag sales. before target first. Yes. Now convert month order date into measure. It is in dimension, no?
It's in measure only, no?
Make it a measure, no? Month order date. Click on that drop down.
Here.
Month order date. No, not here. In
Here only.
column. Yes.
Then I go to format.
No. Not format. No, click on the next month.
I have to go to attribute. I have to make it attribute. Is it?
No, not attribute. Click on this drop down. Wait. Undo this.
Okay, let me get this back to measure. Measure is a count.
And measure should, as I explained yesterday, your dimension would be in blue color. Your measure is in green color. It means that is your number form.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So it is still in blue color. No, it is still showing attribute. No. Click
So
on this drop down here. No, drop down. Yes.
I
am not able to see options. No, when you are clicking on drop down. Why is it so? No.
Maybe I should go to
No. First make it month of order. No, change it from attribute. No. Wait, I'll show you. Just stop sharing.
Let me
your
just
screen.
get this out. And then I'll do it again. So I have to get this from my
Click order date. Order date.
Order ID, order date.
Drag it there.
Why don't I just change it here? Can I change it here?
No, you first drag it into column. And now click on drop down.
Here.
After drop down, not the plus one, the drop down. Yes, here. Are you getting the options? I'm not able to see the options, but you are getting in drop down.
I don't have any options to see.
Why is it so?
But this should be a attribute, right?
No. This should be a measure. Wait, I'll show it to you. Wait. See, like this here. If you click on this, no, these options will be there. See, can you get these options? Are you getting these options? When you click on this drop down, then this month. The second month, you should not the first month. The second month you need to select.
Acha. Okay.
So are you getting now this type of format?
Let me try this. Month. Yes.
Second wala month.
Okay, I got that. And then we have to do something else.
No. Are you getting this type of bars now?
Yes.
Okay. Now drag category into color.
Drag category of the blue thing into color. Oh, to kar diya,
any category. Huh?
Okay.
Done. Now this blue, orange, and pink is there.
Yes.
Okay. This type of format is there now.
Yeah. It's looking the same. Yes.
Same. No. Now I guess this data is same for you, right?
Yes.
Now you need to blend relationship. Now go to data, edit, blend relationship.
Go to data, edit, blend relationship. Okay.
Now in primary data source, keep the same file from which you have dragged the sales category and month order date. Okay. Keep that file in primary data source. Okay. In secondary data source, keep sales target file.
Sales target. Okay.
Then click on custom.
Because this is showing a month, category, year, order date, and all that.
That you need to do now. Okay. Click on add and click on this. Add month order date from here and month order date from here, and then year order date from here and year order date. Okay.
No, please repeat. I get to sales target. Then what do I do?
Custom add.
Huh?
Add. If you click on add, this is dialog box is there in front of you.
No.
Now share your screen.
No, nothing is. I don't have that dialog box.
Share your screen.
You have to. Okay.
Now click on data, edit blend relationship.
Blend relationship. So primary is that.
Secondary में you click on sales target, no? Say yes. Now custom.
Okay कर दूं?
हाँ, ये ठीक है, आपका कनेक्टेड है. हाँ ठीक है, ओके आ तो रहा है आपका ग्राफ. ओके सी
इसके बाद क्या हो गया?
चेंज तो है ना, इट इज ठीक है, अब तो ठीक आ रहा है ना. डेटा इज ओके, इट इज चेंज डेटा, इट्स ओके, इट्स परफेक्ट. ठीक है, यही है हमारा भी.
इतना ही करना है.
हाँ इतना ही करना है. Okay, all right. So now we have this. Now how do I convert it into dual axis thing? Please check it very carefully. So if I'll click on target, I'll right click this. There is a dual axis. Okay, so if you click on dual axis, this target will be on the next axis. Got it? Should I repeat? Right click on here target and click on dual axis. Okay, right? Whenever, please keep this in mind, whenever you create dual axis chart, you need to synchronize the axis. Okay, so again right click here on target and synchronize axis. Now here is also 40K, here is also 40K. Okay, if it was not synchronized, there was a different figure here, 20K. So you cannot make out any result out of this. So you need to always synchronize axis in case of dual axis chart. ठीक है, अब आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं. Now you drag sales after target. This also you can do if you want sales in front, if you want target in front, like this. Okay, so now you can.
How do I change the order of front and back?
Like this, you drag sales after target, then your sales would be in front, right? Target would be in front, like this. Okay, so now what can you say? This, what is this? This is your target figure. So see this, so like being a manager or to your client, you can say this organization has in technology they have this fixed target for a year. So there is a change in yearly target. See, for 2011, same target, right? For 2012, they have increased it. Okay, so you can identify easily that what they are doing. Okay, so similarly in office supplies, they are changing their this thing target quarterly, right? Quarterly. Okay, see, for three months it is same, next 3 months it is same, and here in this they are changing their targets monthly. Okay, all right. So like this you can make out your results. You can change the color of the category also. You can edit the color like this as per your choice. Now you know how to do formatting. So this dual axis, and you can rename this sheet as dual axis chart. Okay. Okay, I'll rename this or here as well. Dual axis chart. Clear? Is this clear how to create dual axis chart? Any question?
Can I share my screen? I think I faced some issue.
Okay.
Like while I was dragging, I was interchanging.
Okay, please do.
So I don't know. Suddenly, I mean, like I was trying to just change the arrangement
Mm-hmm.
from target to sales. So suddenly this measure went out. So I tried
And
to
there is a
restore it.
this thing, no, this green color technology. Why is it so? Um,
So there were
just
two marks over here on category and measure names. So I removed measure names. Only one should be like available, right?
multiple field measure name. Yes, remove this measure name from here.
Oh, but we also have this. I also have measure name in
No,
the.
measure name should be there because then that is for your target. You just drag back category from color and redrag the category into color. Or you
Sorry,
can
didn't get you.
undo this, Control Z, just press Control Z. So then also like the same function here also it work, undo if you do. So sometimes that also work.
So I have to do undo right now.
Just do it, undo. I don't know what you, so, yeah, it is there. No, now. Yes.
Okay, measure names is mandatory.
Yes, you got it? No. Yeah,
Yeah, got it.
it's done. So sometimes undo also work, some cases. Okay. All right. Any other question on dual axis chart, data blending and data joining? If you have anyone, please tell me.
Can you please repeat what exactly is data blending intending to do?
Data blending is intending to do is like you have target data in sales target. Okay, so if you are doing there are 3 sheets, all right, in your one sheet, Amazing Mart EU, list of order breakdown, sales target, and you need data from all these 3 sheets. Like from list of order you need order date and category, and from order breakdown you need sum of sales, and from sales target sheet you need target data, right? So you need data from all these 3 sheets. Now how would you work in Tableau? So what I did data joining of list of order and order breakdown of these 2 sheets, but I cannot do the third joining. Okay, so then how would I take data from the third sheet? Okay, so that's why what I did data blending. Data blending is nothing, it is also known as data joining only, but the smart data joining. Okay,
It
it is
is
a
showing as a separate layer. No, here it is showing as a separate layer in data.
exactly, here it is showing. Now you can use the data of the target from the that sheet particular, no sales target, otherwise there is a no option. No, how would you take target data? Otherwise you cannot do joining. Okay, so how would you take this thing? Now there is a common variable category is there, so then you can do blending and you can edit the blend relationship and customize and add the other variables also. Now for example here in some, here it is month of order, here it is month of order date, right? And here it is order date. Okay, so what you can do, if you rename this, if you rename this as, wait, you can rename the variable also. So here we have added the blend relationship. If you do not want to edit the blend relationship, if you can keep the same name, then also it will work. For example, if I'll rename this, if I'll rename this as order date. So see order date. Now it is showing link here also. Okay, order date. Otherwise, there was a link only on category. Now it is showing order date also. Okay, so you can drag it here, order date. And you can convert it into month. Okay, now see directly it is there because we have renamed the variable order date. Okay, so now there is a no need to edit blend relationship. So sometimes it works like this also. So, but better to always edit blend relationship, okay, rather than renaming this. But if the variable name is same, you can easily drag and drop it. If the variable name is not same, you need to, and in case of dates and this, you need to edit the relationship. Clear? So this is how it works. You can practice this also with the other data set. We have shared n number of data set, right? So if you have, say, in Superstore also, there is a return sheet and order sheet. Okay, so now you can check like how many orders returned. Okay, right? So that you can see in by creating a dual axis chart in your exercise. Okay, so now we are running out of time. Please, I want to display your how to create waterfall chart as well. Okay, so now next
One
I'm
last
moving.
question, ma'am. When we are doing the joining,
Mhm.
any number of sheets can be joined together, or is there a, only two need can be joined, or is there?
That depends. See, that is like a more higher version of joining. If you will read more on this, so there
Okay.
is a joining on say multiple field, on multiple data set that you need to read. So I'll share the reading material, how differently you can join and how many sheets you can join or how many fields, okay, you can join. So you need to read on the joining and blending, then it will be more clear to you. Okay,
Thank
there
you.
is no hard and fast rule how many sheets you can join. That depends on your data set and number of fields. Okay, so next we are moving to waterfall chart. Okay, so in waterfall chart, we need to use Gantt chart. So for like PhD thesis also, scholars, this would be useful for scholars also, because they need to create Gantt chart, right, for their synopsis writing. And if we want to show sales and profit, then also we need Gantt chart. Okay, all right. So here I'll create one waterfall chart for this thing. So what you can do here, you can drag, for example, subcategory into column, and sales or profit, anything, whatever you want to look at. Okay, now keep it in descending form. Okay, and then we need to change the chart type to Gantt bar. Okay, right? Now add sales into size, and you can add sales into color as well to give the gradient shade. Like labels are having the least sales, okay, higher sales. So this is your waterfall chart. It is showing you a pattern of waterfall. So Monica ma'am explained you on the first day what do you mean by waterfall chart and what does it represent. So here in Tableau I'm explaining it how to create waterfall chart, right? So you can rename this sheet as waterfall. Okay, so please take 5 minutes and create the same waterfall chart for profit. Can you do that for profits? Yes, no? Can you do this for profit?
For subcategory and profit, right?
Subcategory and profit. Okay, so please do it. Take 5 minutes. And yes, please try to create a waterfall chart using profit and subcategory. So I'll be back in 5 minutes. Please create it meanwhile. Yes, it's done. Or any query on this?
Done.
Done. Okay. Next, we'll create bump chart. Okay. So wait. So in bump chart, basically, why do we use bump chart? It is a form of line chart only, but with ranks. Okay, so where ranks changes with timeline. So for example, you want to see the progress of, say, countries or share of countries in international trade over the period of time, like who is in number 1, number 2, like as per the rank. So then you can use this bump chart. Okay, so like using the same data set, you can use different data set also, but like I do not want to change data set every time. So like let's create the bump chart by using the same data set. So we'll use the order date because it is a over the period of time, so we need order date here. Okay, then we need sales. We need sales. We want to see the sales of different different region, different segment. So I'll just okay, so different segment, maybe you want to see the sales. Okay, now we want to create rank, because in bump chart we create rank. So we go to this drop down and there is this option called quick table calculation. So this is a very useful option, not only to create rank, but if you want to take the percentage of total, if you want to take the difference of anything, if you want to take percentile, moving average, year on year growth, if you are working on GDP data, if you want the year on year growth of inflation, like whatever data you're using. So here to create bump chart, I want rank. So I'll click on rank. Okay, so click on this drop down and then go to this quick table calculation and then rank. Okay, now rank is there, rank of sales is there, and this is for different this, right? Now you can make this. Now this is in green color, it is continuous. You can make it discrete. Okay, so if you're making it discrete, you can keep it like this also, but I want it in line shape, so I convert it into line. Okay, so maybe not segment, maybe I want region. So region, I put it into color, and this should be, wait, central. What about north and south? Wait. So I don't know why the third segment is not visible. It should be. Order date. Then we want sales. Then we create rank. So rank. Right. Okay. We have not used a compute using thing. No. Now, if I want for a segment, for example, this line. Okay. So here is this thing. Compute using. Okay. So compute using segment. Okay. So if you click on this now, yes, now it is correct, and we make it discrete. Okay, so there is no change in this. Maybe we'll take region here, region. Now compute using region. Okay, now see. So this is your bump chart. How do you do the interpretation of this? For example, your region, this region, North region, was on second rank in 2011, same rank on 2012, but on rank third in 2013, right? And then again on rank second in 2014. So you can select any variable. Now if you want to see, so see for more, maybe you can take product subcategory, subcategory, for example, subcategory into color. Okay, now then don't forget to use this compute using thing. Okay, then compute using subcategory. Okay, so now you can see now these two categories, these labels and fasteners, these two subcategory of product, like there is a consistent ranking, like this on the same rank in all the years 2011 till 2014 on 16th and 14th, while there is a major change in the ranking of this product. What is this? Bookcase. Okay, so bookcase was on number 1 in 2011, then it go to 4th rank in 2013, then again increase come on the 3rd rank in 2014. So this is not the right data set to draw the bump chart, but otherwise if you take any country data, right, and you check the ranking in terms of say HDI, say development, say economic growth, right, their share in different thing, then you can, because here see the ranks are there. So bump chart we use whenever you want to like rank some variable over the period of time. This is the whole purpose of this chart. So clear? Is this clear?
Please repeat.
See, should I repeat the objective of this chart or how to create this?
No, how to create this, because
Okay.
I got the half part and then you had changed something.
Wait, yes, wait. What you need to do is first you drag order date into columns. Okay. Right, drag order date into column, then you drag sales into row. Okay, then you if it is not line here, automatic here, convert the chart into line graph. Okay, right, then you drag region, segment, anything, whatever you want to use. For example, region here I am using into color. Okay, right, then add here quick table calculation. Under quick table calculation, take rank. Okay, rank. Now compute using region, because we want it region, rank region wise. Okay, so compute using region, or if you have drag segment should be there. If you have drag product subcategory option should be there. Okay, so here because I have dragged region, so region is here. Okay, now you make it, now this is in green color continuous data, you make it discrete. Okay, so
why do we need to
I can't see the option of compute
using
yeah, this option is not coming.
Have you done the quick table calculation?
Yes.
Rank you have you please share your screen.
Yes.
Yes.
Why did we change it into discrete data?
To make it like more because this is we do not want the continuous data, we want it at a one point of time. Your ranks are discrete, right? It is not continuous, so that's why we convert it into discrete. Okay, you have not added a quick table calculation. Go to quick table calculation. Yes, from here only click on drop down, quick table calculation, rank. Okay, now compute using region. See, it is there. No, above edit table. No, not here. Above edit table. No. Do not click on to quick table. Do not click on.
I'm sorry, I was speaking on mute. I was just summarizing. I mean, what you have said. So first, I have to click go to quick table calculation.
Rank. It is done. It is done. Now
yeah,
again.
In order to compute using
region. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it is done. Now make it discrete. Yeah, this is in green color. No, make it discrete. Yes. Click here. Discrete. Yes.
So this should be made discrete.
Yeah. Now click on entire view if you want to view the full chart. Go here. No, instead of standard up. Move your cursor. Yes,
I
instead
can't.
of stop.
I'll stop.
Yes. So see, now you know how to interpret this.
Yes.
Yes, no? Okay. So like this is the, like wherever we use rank over the period of time, so then you can use bump chart. Okay. So this is how we create bump chart. Next, I'll show you what? Funnel chart. Okay. I'll show you funnel chart now. Both the basic and the advanced funnel chart. Okay. So first I'll teach you basic funnel chart. Okay, so in basic funnel chart, for example, you want to know the like you, if there is a something hierarchy is there, you want to know the segment wise sale. Okay, which segment is making the higher sale, like this, then you can use the funnel chart. Okay, so basically there are like boxes in the funnel. So first it represent the order. Okay, so order, for example, in 3 segment, which segment is making the highest this order. So first highest wala would be on the top. Okay, so that's why we say head and neck to the bottom. Okay, then size, bigger the size, larger the sale, because we are using sale data, right? Then color is also based on segment. So these 2-3 things play a very important role in funnel chart. So now let's draw funnel chart. Sales into row. In column we can add so first drag sums into row, segment into color, and then sales into size, because what funnel show that larger the size, higher the sale, right? Smaller this thing. Now this is a compressed view. Now what you can do is this entire view. Okay, now you can label this also if you want to. If you don't want to, wait, I want to label segment, and sales, but sales I want it in percentage of total. So see, directly, as I told you how to convert this number into percentage, but I want here percentage of total, because this is a funnel chart. Okay, so again I'll go to quick table calculation, I make it to percent of total. Okay, so here I can see percent of total, or not here, in the labeling maybe. Wait, in the label I can do percent of total. So see, now it is a percent of total. Okay, so this is how you create funnel chart. Now what funnel chart is representing, that consumer segment is making the highest sale because it is on top order number 1, and the size of this box is higher, so bigger the size means larger the sale, and order also matter. This is on the top order, it means higher the sale, and or different colors, these colors are representing different segment, right? So if you do not want it for segment, maybe, okay, you want it for region, then drag region into color and region into label. So we are saying highest sale is in central region, okay, while there approximately similar sale in north and south region. So this is how you create basic funnel chart. Okay, and one more feature of quick table calculation, I have explained it, of percentage of total. Out of total, central is making 56%. Okay, right? So total is 100%. That's why we have used here percent of total. Any question on this? Please tell me. Any question? Anyone? Is this clear? Should I repeat? Should I repeat?
You have region in size, no color.
In season, region in color. Region is color and region in label.
So sales in size, right? Sales
Yes, yes, sales in size. If you are using profit, then profit would be in size.
okay. Got it.
You can use this view in the presentation view also. If you click here, it would be in the presentation mode. Okay.
Actually, my visualization is something different in this basic funnels.
With the same
It is for the
variable.
concept. Yeah,
Okay.
same variable.
Okay, please share your screen if there is some. What you have done, you have calculated it twice or thrice. No, that's why it is different. Why there is 3-step here? What you have done?
Within the region, there is a classification of
And
subsegment.
no. See, you have why? Because you have added segment also. You have added region in label. Remove region first. See, now in label add segment. No, the variable which are using for visualization. Segment into label. Yes. Okay. Now it is okay.
No, but you had done like displayed the sales wise the achievement for all the regions. So how to do that?
Sorry, you want what do you want to visualize?
I mean display the sales achievement region wise across all the segments.
Then maybe you can add region into detail and then check region into detail. Drag region into detail, and then region into label as well.
I mean twice have to do.
Region into label also. Yes, into detail also, into label also. So this is for sales of consumer in central is this much. Now it is showing you consumer in 3. No, that's why there is a, so funnel chart might not be the correct visual to represent this information, right? Funnel chart is to represent the information that what is the which segment or which region is making the highest sale. If you want to do it this, then do this in maybe stacked column, right? Okay, so that's why you need to select the right visual. All right, so funnel is not the right chart to represent this information. Remove region, then keep segment only, like keep one variable only. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Then next is advanced funnel chart. I'll tell you how to create advanced. Okay, so in advanced funnel chart, add sales into column and ship mode into row. Okay. Okay, now I'll tell you one more feature here, calculated field, how to create a calculated field. Okay, so first you drag sales into column, rows into ship mode into rows, and in marks you convert the chart type into area. Okay, area, and make it like this. Okay. Okay, like this only. All right. Now you need to, because in funnel, this is the half part of the funnel. This is only the positive sales side. We need negative sales also. So whatever we need, we can create that. So for example, in sales, we go to create, then calculated field. This is one field where you can do calculation. So for example, here in I want negative sale. So I'll type negative sales, right? And in front of sales, I'll write negative. I want this negative of sales. Okay. Okay, so this variable is created here, negative of sales. Okay. Right? Now I'll drag negative of sales in front of this sum of sales. Okay, now see this funnel is created. I'll go to entire view. This is a proper funnel. Here is the negative part of the sales. Here is the positive part. Now you can change the color also. You can add like ship mode label. You can add into ship mode label. Now here you want to add this thing into sales. Maybe you do not want to add this, so remove this. You can add sales into label. See. Okay, now if you want percentage of sales, here go to quick table calculation, percentage of sale. So we are saying economy plus shipping through economic plus made a sale of 60.16%. Ship mode of immediate made a sale of this much. On priority made a sale of this much, like this. Okay, so this is the person. Economy is this, economy plus is this, immediate is this, priority is this. And you can change the color here from here if you want to keep it say this. Okay, then for negative also, if you want the lighter shade, same shade, then you can keep it like this or this. It is up to you. Okay, you can change the font size of this as well, as we explained. Format, you can go to format, click on A, right? Then you can increase the font size from here like this. You can make it bold. Okay, like this. So this you can do. Okay.
A similar chart.
Yes.
I have a different chart than what you have. May I share my screen?
Yes, yes, please wait. I'll just stop it. Yes.
Something is wrong in what I've done.
See, one thing is wrong, that you have added negative after sales. Add negative before sales, right? Because negative should be on left hand side. Yes. Okay, and then what you have done,
actually it's a mirror image of yours and it is combined in the center.
Yes,
right?
yes, the funnel. Please could you please recreate this? Just to drag back the indicators. So. Do not click on entire view from the starting. Click on standard view first.
Okay.
Click on standard view. Remove this. Now add sales first into column. Sales into column. then this thing into row, or ship mode into row, ship mode. Yes. Now drag, have you calculated the negative? Please click on negative once. I want to see the formula, what you have done for negative. Click on this negative. Double click, maybe it will give, or the hashtag. No, it should be calculated hashtag. No, click on that symbol. Yes. Is it giving the value?
Number whole, number decimal.
Anyways, drag it, negative in front of sales. Drag it. You have not added the negative sign. That's why it is giving you 2O. This is not the correct thing you have calculated, negative.
I should have had a negative sign. You're right.
Edit it. Edit. You forget to add this. Add the negative sign in front of this. See, sum of not negative. It should be, drag it back first. Drag it back. Create a calculated field again. Sales, click on sales, right click on sales, go to create, not here, from the left panel. Yes, right click,
Create.
Create calculated field, rename it at negative sales. Now just put negative sign in front of sales, where sales is written, no? Dash se pehle, not out, no, not inside the bracket, before bracket, negative. Yes, okay. Now drag this negative sales in front of sales, before sales. Now it is there, no? Click on now entire view. You calculated it wrong, no? That time. Now add colors, label it.
But how does this help? Because whatever was in the sales, we've taken all of that and put it in the negative.
No, this is because for this data set we have used funnel chart. Maybe some for another data set you are using it, right? So this is not the correct data set to create. I'm just explaining you how to create funnel chart, right? The implication of the funnel chart, you can read more on the funnel chart. When do we use this? Why do we use this? Right? Funnel chart is basically to express the hierarchy, to express your sales size, right? Like this. So I'm just here giving you an idea how to create basic and advanced funnel chart. Now it is up to your data requirement.
So maybe if I had target and sales, then target, sales, and sale, then maybe there I can see whether it has gone up and down. Is that possible?
No, for target sales and this thing, how would you come to know it has gone up and down? Maybe you want to know like which segment is doing good, then you can do like percentage of sales, you can add on the top one, right? Then on the this thing on the second one, this you can do, okay, like this. So you can read more on this when you can use advanced funnel chart. My idea behind this is like to show you how to create this type of visual in tab. Okay, so yeah. All right, so we have done this. I wanted to show you radar chart as well, and I want to show you one more field function of the calculated field. Just give me a second. Okay, so see, for example, here if you want to know the cost, for example, cost variable is not there, or for example, price into unit price is there, or sometimes what happens, unit price is given, right, and quantity is given. So total sales or revenue is not given, so you can generate a variable sales, but here sales is given. So what I'll do, I'll just create a calculated field in the new sheet. I'll tell you, for example, here you have a product category say category. Okay, you have this, and then you have sales, and you have profit. Right, profit, sales. I do not want it in text, like whatever, like if I do not want it into like in tabular form. If you okay, so now for example, I want to create a new field called cost. So how would I create that? Create calculated field. So here you can create any field, for example, cost. Now cost is what? Cost is, say, profit minus sales. Okay, so I'll add profit minus sales. Okay, so I'll apply okay. Okay, so now see, new variable is created here, cost. So you can add this cost. See, cost. Okay, all right. So what you can do, you can add sales, you can add cost. Okay, now if you want it into bar like this, so this will add you to this thing. Okay, so similarly, if unit price is given, so I just want to show you the role of the calculated field, right? So in calculated field, you can create anything. If you do not need to go to Excel and to your original data set and then to add a variable. No, here you can use this thing, calculated field, and then you can create a different variable. Okay, so all right, so I hope this the use of this calculated field is clear. How to create calculated field. So there are so many formulas like in Excel. No, if you click on this, so see, all types of formulas are here. Or you can check if you want to formula, say for example, numbers. Okay, so then see, min, max. Okay, this square, degree, all these functions are there. If you want formula for this string, this left, lower, okay, right, space, split, all these formulas are there. So you can use, for example, date. So all these formulas, whatever it is available in Excel, it is available here. So you can change it from here, like this formula. So make date, time, make this type conversion, then logical formulas, if function is there, and not, or, then, like this, logical functions. Then aggregate is also here. Fixed, include function is there, median, min, standard deviation, variance. Okay, then this full name, username, domain name. Okay, then table calculation, lookup, index function. Okay, rank, dance, previous value, size, total. All these functions are available. You can select function as per your need. Then this. Okay, right? So you can use the functions, you can create a calculated field as per your requirement.
Please show again from where you got this pull out.
Yes, wait, you just click anywhere, right, like profit, right click. Okay, create calculated field. This box is there in front of you. From this, see, a small triangle is here. So if you click on this triangle, you'll get all the functions.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, so you can use maximum value, minimum value, if you want to get anything, so you can get it from here as per your requirement. All right. So any question on dual axis chart, waterfall chart, bump chart, basic funnel chart, advanced funnel chart? Please tell me. Whatever we have done today, if there is any question on this. So can you create one dual axis chart for me based on your the file on or maybe on the same file sheet? If I want a dual axis chart of say region wise sales and target, can you create that for me? Region wise sales and target. Yes, no? Can you create one chart, dual axis chart?
This is the one that you want us to create.
Yes, I want you to create dual axis chart for region wise sale. Please do this. Please create a chart, dual axis chart.
Just add region. We just have to add region to it.
Yes, region wise. I want region wise dual axis chart of sales and target. Now you should know how, what do I want, what I'm asking.
So instead of category, we do region.
That I don't know. You do it and tell me.
Region wise sales and target with order date month wise. ठीक है, हो गया शायद, if that is all.
Have you done it?
If what I understand it is done, I just remove the category and put the region. So that's what I got.
Okay, so show me your screen then. But still categories are visible, isn't it?
Okay, I have to remove categories from the color. And maybe add region to it. Is it?
Still your categories are there in the filter. Why is it so? Category measure name is there, no? On the right hand side.
Sales and target category कहाँ है?
Category आपका दिखा रहे हैं ना, right hand side पे देखो, blue, orange and green. Why green is there? If you're not using this thing, this is not correct. Please prepare it. Take 5-10 minutes. Please do it. I'm here only. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Ram Mohan ji, have you completed this?
Yeah, I'm showing. I've got the graph, but I'm like trying to get the different colors like a sign. So
Okay.
I'm stuck in one place.
Okay. Please work on this. Mona ji, you please need to know what variables you need to take. I asked you to create a dual axis chart. I want to know the region wise sales and target, right? So I need region, sales and target, these three variables only. So you have added sales into column also, into row also. You should have removed it from one side, no? And you have not added order date. So how would you come to know? So in the column, you should add order date. No, Your month of order should be in column, sales should be next to target, like we did.
Shall I share my screen?
Yes, please. And meanwhile, please, I'm sharing the attendance link and the feedback link on the group. Please fill it. Yes, I have shared the feedback. Yes, this is good. Okay, so
what
this
is
is
the
your
region-wise?
region wise. You can check this option of opacity. Go to
Again?
color. You can increase or decrease opacity, maybe then color only, color.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes. Yes, opacity, no, decrease the opacity. See, now, that's it. Now both of your variables are visible, no? Perfectly. So you can use this option opacity also. So now you can say that your in which months your sales were higher than target, or your targets were higher than sales. This is a good graph, right? Okay. So Mona ji, you can refer this one. So it you can drag this thing. So just keep 2-3 things in mind, that your month should be in measure. Okay, it should not be dimension. Second thing, that you have not selected the variables twice, like sum in the row as well, in the column as well, then it won't make sense. Then in case of dual axis, you need to synchronize your axis, and you can use the opacity option as well to make it more clear. Your visual should be clear. So it is never like that you should use very hi-fi visual or advanced visuals. No, the sole purpose here is that you need to present your data, right? You can make insight out of your data set. This is the whole purpose for the visualization. Like by looking at the data, for example, looking at this data, you can directly say that because your colors are representing regions, you can directly say, yes, central region is making more sales, right? Because higher the bars, right? So this is a very accurate graph, right? Here you can say that in north region, your targets are much higher than sales, like this. Okay, so you can make insights out of the purpose behind the any graph is that you should make insight out of it. It is not like that you are presenting some typical graph, very hi-fi standard graph, and but you are not able to do the interpretation of it. By looking at the graph itself, one should be able to interpret it, what you are representing. So here you are representing region-wise sales and target. Okay, so that's why you have added region into color and target in the back and front sales. Okay, so this is a very good graph. And in case of data blending, please always be very careful when you are dealing with data joining and blending, because in data blending you need to edit blend relationship. If you do not edit blend relationship, then you won't get good results. Okay, like this. All right, so any question on this? Mona ji, have you would you able to do that? You want me
I think I'll have to study again and do, because I think I haven't blended the two, so it is not giving me the.
there is a no need to reblend it. If if you have added blended, but okay, you can you recheck the recording. Still, you won't get it. We can do it tomorrow as well. Okay. And if you want me to show it right now, then he can also show it to you. You want him to redo this?
Yes, please. Yes.
Huh? Yes. Ram Mohanji, could you please redo this? How did you get this? Just clear the screen.
Step by step.
Yes, please clear
How
the
do I do
screen.
that?
Just clear the screen and then remade it.
This thing coming in between.
Or on the new sheet, you can do this if you do not want to clear this.
Can I clear this?
If you want to clear it, you can clear it. If you don't want to clear it, you can make it on the new sheet also. No problem with that. Create a new sheet and then.
I'll clear.
Okay.
This region over here, and this order date I need to drop two columns, but I have to change the this data type. I should convert it to month, and this should be like an attribute measure, not a dimension. Then sales has to be tracked here. Now coming to this set of data set, I need to track target here because we were asked to display the region-wise sales and target using dual access. You have to go to the data option, edit blend relationship, custom, then add. I need to select region here because we'll be like blending.
Please repeat this.
Sorry.
Please repeat. How did you get this window for edit blend relation?
You can go here, data, select edit blend relation. Pop-up will come. You have to go to add, select the option custom, then add, go to region, then click on OK. This will show mapping conflict. You have to click on OK, then OK again. And yes, we have to like change the visual type to color.
What did you add? What did you add to it? I missed that. You added region.
Yeah, you have to select region for one of the data sets. So it will like come only for one particular data set because this region is not available in Salesforce. It is only available in this data set. Hence it's showed.
No, but your target values are not here then now.
No, target values are here.
No, in the graph.
Target values not here in the graph. Okay, so that's because I didn't add the colors. This one. So I have to start adding that. So I'll add region. I have to add measure names to color.
No need to do so many things.
Okay, that's how I arrived. Okay, there's one more thing. This else is also showing, so I had to like do this also.
Wait. I'll just share my screen. Yeah.
To list of orders, you want to add sales target, right?
Sales target is a different sheet, and this is a different list of order plus order breakdown. Right now, instead of category, we want to add region. Okay. So this is the whole point. So there was something wrong, like when you, I guess because you re-add the relationship, no, Ram Mohanji, that's why your target data is lost, isn't it? That might be one reason.
But I followed the same procedure when I was doing it.
No, that's why. No, because you have already created that relationship. No, now you are recreating the relationship. So that's why there might be null values in data. So when you will try doing this, no, Monaji, using this data and edit blend relationship and add region in that. Okay. So
Which is
then,
the file that I should have, or list of order plus. No, isko please repeat this again. You go to data, and your memory file is list of order plus order breakdown, and in that I'm with you now. So your primary sheet is list of order plus order breakdown. I go to and edit blend relationship. And then here it is not showing me target.
wait. Let's create a new sheet. Wait. So for example, I want region. Wait, I want a month of order date. I want region, right? I want sales. Okay. Then here I want listen to this, right? Then I want target. Here now no data in target because it is not connected. Right. Some. Now go to data, edit brand relationship. And now we need to remove this. We need to add region. So Ram Mohan ji, you connected region with what?
With category only.
Region with category.
Yeah, because it will allow to region to go with category. Without this category, this will not connect. I mean, it will not even allow.
Okay, but still it is not allowing. See,
but I don't know. I got it before. So I shouldn't have cleared the screen, I think.
maybe if I know, because these two variables are not same, right? So category you can do, but you cannot do region. I don't know how you did for region, because we cannot blend relationship, because that's not same. See, it is showing 144 null. Show the spatial values at default position. Exclude the spatial values, then it will show 0, no? So we cannot do it for region. Can we? We can do it for category though, because it is same. Now category is not, because I have added blend relationship, because I have added here region. So I need to again blend this relationship. Okay. Then I'll add category, and now I got data. Let's see. Like this. Okay, so for region, it is not possible because you cannot blend a relationship with it. Okay, so then you need to check what are the common variables. So then only you can blend relationship. Otherwise, how would you edit? How would you blend relationship if that category is not available here? Okay,
Maybe
right?
you can give it a try once. I mean, if you want to.
Sorry.
I mean, you can give it a try because like I have undo everything. I've gone to my the previous results, so it is showing for me.
Okay, so we can try, but it is not possible to connect. If even if we are doing that, might be wrong, right? Because we are connecting two wrong variable. Like category is not same, right? Under category there is a furniture supply,
Okay.
office supply, while in region central south. So it might give you wrong result. Okay, so if the variables are similar, then only please do the blend relationship. Otherwise, not. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so here we are done with the data joining, blending, dual axis chart, waterfall chart, bump chart, basic funnel chart, and advanced funnel chart. Okay, for tomorrow, I expect you to be with me on this so that we can create a dashboard tomorrow. So tomorrow we will learn how to create a dashboard, interactive dashboard, and storytelling. That would be the last step in our FDP, right? So I hope you are getting it. You are enjoying the session. Any feedback till now? Are you happy with the course?
Actually, I think I'll try this, and if I'm not able to get it, can we repeat this part tomorrow?
You want to try for region?
Huh.
No, don't do that. That's what I'm saying. No, because you cannot connect region with category. How would you blend the relationship? Okay, because region is not common here. Even if you will able to connect somehow, that won't give you like correct result.
Okay.
Okay, right? Because you won't be able to blend relationship. Do it for category only. If you have any problem in category editing, blending relationship, then we can take it. No problem in that.
Perfect.
Okay. Okay, then should we end the session for today?
Okay.
And yes, any question, anyone? No? Okay, then thank you so much. Maksud ji, please close the session.